Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with a wig review. Told you I was going to be bringing you some more wig reviews, so here I am. Today's wig is a Vanessa wig, and the collection is the Honey Sea collection. It's a Brazilian human hair blend wig, and she has a Swiss silk lace front with a seaside part. So her name is Natex. It says TCHB Natex, and I have her in the color 1B. So that's what she looks like. This is a pretty color too on the package, but honey, I could not do that. It's got to have some dimension. I'm going to have to have some black roots or something. But anyway, I have her in a 1B, but she's a beautiful wig, and it actually came with some tape. I'm pretty sure nobody uses that a lot anymore, but yeah, so let me show you what she looks like. Here she is. I've cut the lace off, but I haven't done anything else. She is so soft, y'all, and she has these deep waves. Or I wouldn't say deep. They're more soft, or a loose wave, I guess you can put it that way. But she's pretty, and there's the C part right here. And she does have the Swiss lace. Now, as far as feeling silky, no. It's just Swiss lace. So I've already, like I said, cut that off. And let me show you the cap. And there it is. You have your standard wefts. You have a comb in the back, and then you have the adjustable straps. You do have the moldable tabs on the side, and then you have two combs right here in the front. And looks like they're going to be where I like them to be, right here by the ear, because when they're here, you know, when they're usually right next to the part, they're really uncomfortable. But looks like they're going to be where they need to be. And of course, there's your little parting area right there, and then you probably get about a half an inch or so of lace around the perimeter. So it is what it is. So I'm gonna get these straps adjusted, and then we'll put her on. Oh, and I do notice that you do have the baby hairs right here in the front, or in the back, should I say. Baby hairs in the back, so that you can pull it up in a high ponytail. So that's good. If you want to do that. Now let me look and see if you see, or if I could see anything in the front. Looks like she does have a few, and they're kind of nice looking, kind of soft. It doesn't say anything about baby hairs. I'm just looking at the insert. No, but hey, some people like baby hair, some people don't. I don't like a whole lot of baby hairs on a wig, but you know, if they're natural looking, then I'm all for it. Okay, so let me pop her on. I'm wearing just a beige wig cap. I usually like them a little bit darker than this, but I couldn't find that particular color, so I'm just wearing this one. So let me put this on and get her situated. Now, it does feel a lot better when it comes to that Swiss lace than those plasticky ones. It feels real good. You can tell a difference. So yeah, and as you can see, there's that fine baby hair. Let me zoom in so you can kind of see it on the chrome down here before I pull it back. But you can see the fine little baby hairs. Now these I like because they look more realistic than, you know, tons of them. You gotta cut them and all that stuff. So yeah, let me zoom back out. All right, so let me pull it back on my head here. Oh, she feels real good too. Oh my goodness. All right. Get these combs all situated. Well, the combs are a little higher than I thought. They're actually right here on the temple, instead of above the ear. But I would rather them be there than where they usually are. There we go. My phone, I swear, every time I get to recording a video, it wants to ring. So now I'm bending the multiple tabs into place. So she's like really pretty and soft. And again, this is one of those wigs that I ordered like in the beginning of last year of 17. And so I've had them sitting in this box for the longest time. So I've been missing out because she's like cute. Oh my God. But anyway, let me get my little brush here and we play with the baby hairs a little bit and get them situated, and then we'll kind of comb her out a bit, or finger comb her out, I think. Okay, so yeah, I mean, she's really soft, and I think that has a lot to do with it being a blend, because you have some human hair blended in. And when you have like, when I get wigs that have this really soft wispy kind of baby hair, I kind of like to blend it in with mine, kind of brush it into it. So I'm going to take some gel, and I'm going to use this gel that I got from Dollar Tree that I am in love with. Do you hear me? This is by Lusty, and this is what it looks like. When I went in there this last time and saw that they had a whole box, you know I stocked up. Okay, this phone is starting to really get on my nerves. I stocked up on these because I love them. My hair loves them. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna kind of blend these in. Excuse my phone if you hear that notification, y'all. But I'm just kind of dabbing it on to kind of control them a little bit, along with my baby hair. And what I like about this gel, it doesn't break down like most gels, and then it's not hard, you know what I mean? Didn't get crusty or anything. It's just soft. It's a good hold, but a soft hold, if that makes sense. So now I'm gonna kind of play around a little and get them going like I want, and there we go. Now, I didn't do anything as far as like camouflaging the knots and stuff, because I'm just doing this for review purposes, because I'm not going anywhere. But I probably would have put a little concealer before I put it on underneath to kind of camouflage these knots right here, because I can see them. I don't know if you can in the camera, but it's like, it's not bad at all. And just brushing the baby hairs kind of camouflages it a little bit. Yeah, so anyway, let me turn around so you can see it before I finger comb. So this is the left side, and this is the back, and it's a nice believable length. And the right. Okay. So lengthwise, this is probably 18 inches, maybe 16, 18 inches. Here, let's pull it all forward so you can see. And I'll stand up. Yeah, 16, 18 inches. So, yeah. Not bad at all. But it is super soft, though. So I'm just going to kind of finger comb through it. And give it a little fluffiness here. Get some of the tangles from packaging out of it. There we go. Oh, she's so soft. There we go. Love this. I was looking for, when I remember when I got this, I wanted something that was a nice length that wasn't too long, a believable length, but I wanted this loose wave in it. And at the time, it was kind of hard to find one that was the right texture, consistency, or whatever when it came to the waves and stuff. Either it was too many, or it's too deep of a wave, or it's too many curls. You know, it wasn't like I wanted it. So when I saw the picture, I decided to go ahead and try it and get this one. So yeah, she's really pretty. So I like her. And I think that's pretty much all I'm gonna do. She's really cute. So yeah, again, this is from Vanessa Wigs, their Brazilian Human Hair Blend Honey Sea collection, Swiss silk lace front, and this one is Natex, and she has the C side part, and there it is. So there it is again, and I have her in a 1B, but she comes in a variety of colors, y'all. So yeah, and I got her from Sam's Beauty. So if you're interested, check out Sam's. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. If you have any questions about her, leave them down below. And I guess that's gonna do it. So until my next video, I'll see you then. Bye, y'all.